So to get the Pay program on your TI nSpire iPad app, go ahead and press the Pay program that's either located in Neo or Google Classroom, and you're going to click Download on the bottom. And then once it's downloaded, you can click Open In, and then you're going to have to find the TI nSpire app by going to More, and then you're going to copy to TI nSpire. So it might take a little bit longer for it to go to your calculator, but this is basically what's going to happen here. So you're going to have the TI nSpire app, and then what you want to do to check it, I already have some numbers that you can run to check it. So you're going to mimic a loan rate of $1,000, a rate of 25, and you're going to pay $50 a month. And you want to figure out how many payments and the total paid on the loan. To do that, you're going to click here on the screen and you are going to go to VAR. And then from there, you're going to find the Pay program. And then you can press Enter. And then this is where you're going to enter the amount of the loan. So this loan we're taking out is $1,000. You can press OK. The rate is 25%. It's already the same as what it's there. And I want to pay $50 a month. So the goal is to figure out how many payments does it take, the final payment, and the total paid on the loan. So notice how you get the same thing that I had above. So this means that there's actually 26 payments of $50 and one final payment of $6.94. So there's actually 27 total payments because you have a final payment of not $50 but $6.94, leaving the total amount of paid as $1,300 approximately. So you paid almost $306.94 in interest just for taking that loan. All right, now the last thing you need to do is make sure that when you go to the home in the top left, keep your changes to keep that program. You don't want to keep having to download that, and then you have that and you open up that document anytime you need to use the Pay program.